My name is Goldman. I'm the director and founder of Goldman and Associates. Our firm has a primary focus on family law issues here in Michigan, and today we're going to be talking about some interesting family law topics designed to educate the public, so please subscribe to our channel. A lot of times we have allegations of drug or alcohol use during a divorce. It's common. What's interesting about it is sometimes it comes up as like a new thing, and then when you peel off the layers, you find out that, this guy has been a drug addict since the parties first met. It's not new news. It's very, very old news. It's part of their history. She's been an alcoholic since forever. So what's the big deal now? But sometimes during the case, it comes up, and somebody will say, I want my ex drug tested. I want this, I want that. Well, you got to realize that here's what's going to happen. The court on certain occasions will drug test people. The court will make a determination that somebody's in need of this for the protection of the children. But you have to watch out for certain things. Number one, if you want to say that you believe that your husband, for example, should be drug tested because he's driving the kids around and you think he's doing so while under the influence of drugs, you better make sure of one thing. Number one, you better make sure that some attorney's not going to stand up and say, look, this guy has been the same way for 7 years, and she let him run carpool, not only for her kids, but for the neighbor's kids all this time without any concern about it. And now, during the divorce, she brings it up. If that happens, your position is going to water down, and you're going to look very disingenuous. You're going to look very inauthentic before the court. So that's a bad thing. Number one. Number two, you got to make sure that they're not going to flip around the allegation. They're going to say, yeah, I used to smoke weed, but you know what? We both smoked it together. We both did this routinely. So, why should I be the one drug tested? She'll fail too. And then all of a sudden the court's saying, you know what? Drug test both of you. If that happens, you may not be happy with the results. The very thing that you may be trying to sort of get a leg on, it may be something that may hurt you. It's one thing to establish, is a person a marijuana user, and leave it at that, and let the court conclude what it will. The moment you start asking for drug testing, it's oftentimes brought up that maybe both parties should be drug tested. So you've really got to consider whether or not that's the right thing to do. You should speak to an experienced attorney, lay out the facts, and be honest. If you've got the same problem that you want to prove that your ex has, maybe that's not a place where you should go. Maybe that's dangerous territory. We should step elsewhere. If, on the other hand, you are just an occasional drinker and this person has a cocaine habit, there are differences. And it may, for example, behoove you to say, look, it's true, I have a drink every now and then. I smoke marijuana for medicinal purposes only, but that's different than cocaine and heroin. And that's what he's got going on, and that's my concern. And if the judge orders both tested, then so be it. But at least you've been honest before the court and you appear very genuine. If you have any questions about that, reach out. We'll be glad to help you out.